Everybody loves seeing a big stack of lumber, but this isn't your typical lumber. This is actually wall panels. These are pre-framed walls. Now, what do builders care about when it comes to lumber and when it comes to suppliers? We care about efficiency, we care about quality control, but you know what? We also care greatly about warranty and reducing our costs in the back end. On the Build Show today, we're gonna show you some capabilities from Builders FirstSource that you may not have known about. You know, they can actually both supply lumber and install lumber. You can buy your windows and doors from them. You can also have them install. And I think there's a real story here when it comes to both efficiency, warranty, and overall reduction of costs. Today's Build Show from BFS talking about installed services. Let's get going. All right, check it out, y'all. We're outside of Washington, D.C. in Virginia at a giant BFS location. And what you're seeing behind me is wall panels. This has got to be at least a couple dozen houses worth of wall panels. This is one of the few markets in America that's heavily dominated by panels. You know, these are true framed walls. You can see the OSB sheathing on there. They've got zip sheathing on a lot of their wall panels, already framed and ready to go out to the job site. And these bundles are stacked on these giant BFS trucks and brought out to the job. Now, you probably know BFS as a supplier. I've been using them for my home building company for about 20 years now. They have a giant amount, like 570 some locations around the US. But in this video, we're gonna focus on installed services. That's having BFS not only supply your 2x4s, but turn them into a panel system and actually frame them on a job site. Not only buying your, let's say, Andersen windows from BFS, but having BFS install the house wrap, do the zip sheathing on the outside, do all the taping and prep, and install those Andersen windows. We're gonna go meet the install manager out at the job site, and we're gonna talk to a builder and try and find out some of the advantages of this. So with that being said, guys, we'll meet you on the job site. What are some of the advantages in your mind of using these panelized walls? Is it all speed or is there some other advantages?
Well, there's not only speed, but the one good thing is no one can steal a wall panel, right? It's easy to steal some of the material, take material, but when you're building with wall panels, there's a lot less management of the loose material.
Yeah, I guess that's right.
Here we go.
Here's a package right here. Yeah, no one's gonna grab a wall panel off that and take that in their pickup truck home, are they?
No, that's hard.
Whereas this bundle here, especially with these expensive LVLs, that could disappear.
Yeah.
So we gotta be really cautious about it and manage that.
Yeah.
But this package is not going anywhere.
No.
And that's how many, we got like a dozen or more walls there, pre-framed and ready to go. All they're doing is basically sitting those down, drilling for the anchor bolts, and man, that wall is ready to go.
Yeah, they're following the layout, the design layout. Each wall panel is marked, just like a big puzzle. They're standing them up. The exterior walls are already sheathed. The interior walls, of course, are not, and it goes up quick.
And did I notice there's some portal framing on these garages? It's already pre-done at the factory as well?
Yeah, the portal frames will have a different nailing pattern, depending on what type of header it has.
Yep.
But that's all done in the factory. We shouldn't have to go back and do anything to the portal frames.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
And the interesting thing for me as a builder is there's really one point of contact, right? BFS owns everything. I'm buying the lumber from them. Their framers are installing that lumber. So it's really just one point of contact for everything. And then as we get into window install, let's talk about that for a minute too. Like, these builders are ordering the windows from you guys. What are the benefits from the install side of what you're doing here to a builder when it comes to house wrap and windows?
Yeah, once again, we're managing that whole phase of construction, whether it be install issue, a back order, broken glass. We handle all those issues in-house. We don't want the customer to have to be involved in those. So once we're done installing them, we come through, we inspect everything, make sure everything's right. Whatever issues there are, the project managers in the field communicate that back to the sales team. And then the sales team will get the material out here we need to fix the issues. And then we take care of it. So we're trying to take that whole management part away from the customer.
That's huge. You know, I worked for a production builder for a while, and one of my jobs for a year was service and warranty manager. And windows were difficult. I mean, once that window is installed wrong, to try and get it to work correctly, to latch correctly, to go back and service it, that's a lot of hassle for me as a service and a warranty manager. So to have you guys sell those windows to me and install them and service them and come back 2 years later if the customer has a problem, that is a huge weight off my shoulders, and frankly can be a huge cost off my shoulders as a builder as well, right, Sean?
Yes, we have a full service and warranty team. We get the request from the customer. We'll deal directly with the homeowner. We'll go out, we'll troubleshoot it. We'll fix anything, replace weather stripping, replace broken glass, anything the customer needs. And that's a huge benefit for the builder because they don't have to have those people or that department in place. So that's a huge cost savings that you really can't see up front.
Yeah, that's huge. That's incredible from a risk perspective for me as a builder. You know, 80% of construction defect litigation is water related. So if I can have my BFS team not only sell me that lumber, but install that lumber, sell me the windows in the house wrap and install it for me. Now, if I've got a window leak, I call these guys and they handle that. Also, tell me about the QA system you've got in place. You were telling me some of that earlier. You guys have some impressive systems to make sure that every window, every wall is framed and installed correctly.
Yeah, so our project managers that are BFS employees, they'll go in after our installers install the product. They all have iPads. We run a software system that allows us to have electronic forms on there, so we can write notes and take pictures of that install. And then not only we can fill those forms out, but when we're finished, it automatically emails that information to our sales team. So the sales team knows if there's any issues, what we need. They can respond to that, get the material out into the job site, and then we can resolve those issues in a timely fashion for the customer.
Yeah, makes sense. Talk to me about materials. Can we specify other house wraps and other windows than we've got here?
Oh yeah, we use all systems, high to low end, depends on the customer. A lot of the customers will have national rebates with certain manufacturers.
Yeah.
We have the support of our manufacturers, right? So we can get the appropriate training to the appropriate installer for the appropriate customer.
That's awesome.
So the manufacturers give us a lot of support in that.
So for instance, if I want to use a Huber zip system with an Anderson window, let's say, that's a system that you guys can work with, right?
100%. Yeah,
that's awesome.
We even have, we'll take some of our service and warranty people and we'll send them to the manufacturer to get training to even service those things. So, the support from the manufacturer is key because when a builder is hiring a subcontractor, those things don't always happen, right?
Yep.
We're getting them the training and trying to follow the best practices for that particular manufacturer.
I love it. I want to introduce you to Brian from Atlantic Builders. Brian, how long have you guys been BFS customers?
Oh, longer than I've been with the company, so well over 13 years. It's been quite the experience working with the folks at BFS. They're wonderful people and true partners of ours.
Now we're here specifically shooting a video about installed services.
Okay.
And I'm curious, on this building behind us here, how much did BFS both sell you and install for you?
Well, just about everything that you're looking right here, other than the foundation, BFS sold to us. They installed that window right there. They helped us design this house wrap. The wall panels that you see behind the house wrap, they manufactured in their plant in Culpeper. All the lumber that you see here, they shipped to the job site. Truly.
And did their framers actually frame this project for you as well?
No, we have a separate group of framers that are actually putting their materials in.
Gotcha, but did they do the house wrap and the window install?
The framers, the BFS did all the windows.
Okay.
And the framers did the house wrap.
Fantastic. What's the benefit for you as a builder, Brian, having BFS both sell you the window and install the window?
You know it's going to get done right. And you also know that there's no issues with warranties. There's no issues in case something happens later on in the build.
Yeah.
So one-stop shop to get things like that done.
That's huge.
Which is huge when it comes to a product like windows that so many people have the potential to, I guess, mess up. Having one person responsible is really key.
Yeah, it's a really big deal. How about service? Are they also servicing those windows? You know, a year later, if you have a problem, are you going through BFS on service?
Oh, of course. I'd like to say I have very little experience with that because they do a really good job putting them in the first place, and Maya is a really good partner of ours too. So, but yes, they would service that for us if we needed it.
Brian, tell me about cost on this. You know, my assumption would be having BFS sell you the window and install it is going to be more expensive than your framers installing those windows. What's that like for you?
So Matt, it's funny you ask about the actual cost to install the windows. I find that a lot of builders these days will trip over dollars to get to pennies. But when you actually analyze the cost of having BFS install the window for us, it's actually pretty similar to what you would find with a framing contractor or somebody else that might provide that service. So not only is BFS great in providing the windows, installing them, but also in being competitive in the market space.
I suspect there might actually be some savings on the back end too, because you may not need your team dealing with window service.
Absolutely.
When it's really just
absolutely.
one phone call to those guys to handle it.
BFS is phenomenal at service as well. So they install the product. If we need service on the back end, they're always willing to help. The likelihood of us needing to service those windows is very slim because they do a really good job installing them, and Maya is a really good partner of ours as well.
That's awesome. Thanks for having me out, Brian. Impressive work, dude.
Thanks,
Good seeing
buddy.
you, man.
Appreciate you.
This Builders FirstSource facility serves the entire DC metro area. They're on 40 acres here, and where we are in this building, 300,000 square feet under roof. They send out a couple of hundred interior doors per day to job sites across DC metro. But check this out, this is just a small thing. I love how they put a sticker on each one of the doors so I know exactly the size and the handing of the door. Just makes it easy for me as a builder. I know right away, I just take a look at the sticker. This is a 2-4 right-hand door. This is a 2-0 left-hand door. If I had these doors stacked up in my garage, it would be super quick for me to send these to the correct location with my finish carpenter. And also, frankly, to know that I've got all the doors that I ordered for the job. Super fun to take this facility tour. I love seeing these big manufacturing facilities. This is really fun. Man, what a fun day I've had today, both at the plant, taking a tour here, and getting out to the job site. I think I mentioned earlier in the video, you know, I've been a BFS customer for 20 years now. I have to admit, I've not used their installed services, but I'm really impressed after seeing this. Now, these wall panels that you're seeing here, this is a little bit unique to this marketplace. You've seen me use the ReadyFrame system. I'd almost call this ReadyFrame Plus, right? They're framing these walls and their crews are installing them. Guys, big thanks to BFS for sponsoring today's video. They've been a longtime partner in my building company, and they've been a Build Show supporter for many years now. So I'll put a link to those guys in the description below. If you're new to this channel, we'd love to have you subscribe. We have new content here every Tuesday and every Friday. We also have new content every single day over on buildshownetwork.com. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Otherwise, we'll see you next time on The Build Show.